This is a demo video for SpacialNova's MVP, and so here we go. So first of all, we're talking about the frames. So we're using an XTI frame, which helps the person or the user indicate which one is clockwise, anti-clockwise, clockwise, and anti-clockwise. We have 2200 kilovolts motors. This drone is specifically for inspection. This is the MVP for the Nova Genesis, which is for inspection purposes. We have the ESCs underneath, which are 30 ampere ESCs, which won't overclock. And we've designed our overclocking system, which helps the drones to last longer, reduce overheating, and also extend battery life by over 6 months to a year. We have from the ESCs, we have the battery capacity, which is a 4,500 milliampere battery, which will give you at least 45 minutes of flight time before landing. And then we have the APM 2.6, which usually we would use the APM 2.8, but we are working towards upgrading our system to the Pixhawk or the Pixhawk Cube, which has more flexibility, is versatile, and can be able to handle our obstacle avoidance system in our infrastructure. We have the receivers, which work with our transmitter. We are currently using a microzone transmitter for our systems, and the big boss, which is the GPS systems. Our agricultural drone has more than one GPS, but for now it's an MVP, so we are using one GPS system for the inspection drones. We have our battery buzzer, which helps the user indicate that his battery is either low or if it's charging. We have a charging system. This is the battery pack, or this is your charging brick, and this is your charging cable, which has currently we are running at they are currently running at 6 ampere 250 volts for charging your battery. All you have to do is just connect it here and plug it in, and your battery is charging. So that's it. Connection is quite simple. All you have to do is just plug this in, and your battery is connected. So we have all that. This is another view of another GPS model that we are actually using. So let's go to the mission planner. So once a drone is connected, there's a mission planner system that actually helps you monitor your drone's health, monitor your battery, your vibe, your 3D fixing for your GPS. You can do a wide range of things with this system. I would send a video, or I would make a video showing how this communicates with our Artemis 1 for you to store your data and analyze the data that is taken from the mission planner. Right now it's taking feed. This helps you indicate that your drone is connected. It all depends on the ports, but if we give you a telemetry system, you don't exactly need to port it. So this is where you plan. So you go over to the plan. It's quite simple to actually plan your missions. Really simple. All you need to do is right click on polygon, click on draw a polygon, and then you just tap on the places you want to fly over, and that should be it. Then you click on auto waypoints. When you click on auto waypoints, you just click on survey grid. That should automatically bring this option for you. Usually we use our Nova cameras, which is the SpacialNova's Nova system camera, which automatically helps you set up these waypoints. So you don't necessarily need to start setting it up yourself. Our cameras come with a custom waypoint setup. Then you just click on accept, and then it helps you set up your waypoints. So if it's an agricultural operation without reforestation, spraying, this helps you carry out that setup already and it still has location, it still has ground on home. This is currently where the drone is. So the drone takes off from here all the way to this place. If you want to carry out an operation, the drone takes off and comes here, and then it starts its operation from either this point or this point, depending on the relativity of the system. You can always switch between there and here to monitor your drone system. The drone has a safety option, so you know if your drone is armed or disarmed. So that's it. So once you click on this, all you need to do is, once your telemetry is set up, switch to auto, switch to stabilize or altitude hold or loiter, which would help you easily map out. Or you can go to setup, go to mandatory, go to flight modes, and then you can switch to auto flight mode here, and you can click on save mode. Then you can go to data, so you can click on auto. So now if you click on auto and you click and you go back to your plan, and then you click on takeoff, then you click on takeoff, this will automatically send your drone off for you, so you don't exactly need all that. And you can save your data here. Click on save file, which will automatically help you save your data. So you can call the data Air Nigeria, and then you click on save, which will automatically save your data for you. It will save your data for you. So with that, you can now send us that file that was saved, and then we take all that log information. And here it tells you the distance between your drone and the points of your flight. It tells you your previous destination and your home location. There is no problem with GPS at all, as you can always zoom in and you can see the entire mapping. We use a Google hybrid map, that is the API we connected to this, the Google hybrid map, which makes it super easy for us to actually have standard GPS systems, operational GPS systems. So it's very easy to set up your flight, very easy. It's basically a drag and drop system. So this is it. So back to visual. So what actually makes that possible is the APM 2.6, which is our flight controller. If you can see this brick here, and then mostly our GPS systems. I would have turned it on right now, but it's going to be against certain rules. Do not fly this particular model indoor. Though we are going to be working on models that can be able to fly indoor. That is if you want to do in-house inspections. You know, if you're into property management, real estate, or an architectural designer. So that's it. I've mentioned our transmitter, and I've mentioned our battery charger, which charges your drone in less than 20 minutes, full charge. So yeah, that's it. Thank you.